Strabag is a European technology group for construction services headquartered in Vienna. Strabag is one of Europe's largest construction companies, and we cover all services related to the building industry. In 2015, we started using drones for surveying and 3D data generation to achieve efficiency gains for internal and external clients. This had an impact on our workflows and simplified many steps in our operations. Setting up ground control points used to be a time-consuming process. In the past, we needed 20 to 40 GCPs per square kilometer, which took several hours to place. By deploying the Phantom 4 RTK, we can reduce the number of GCPs to 3 to 5, and even to 0 under certain circumstances. For us, the Phantom 4 RTK is another step forward in making construction surveying with drones simpler. It is compact and flexible, and therefore can be a useful tool for our teams at Strabag. In order to use all the benefits of the fully integrated system, in RTK mode we are using network RTK services. To achieve even more accurate results, especially in areas with bad mobile network coverage, the DRTK2 mobile station can be connected with ease. The long battery life of up to 30 minutes allows us to map large areas during a single flight. The Phantom 4 RTK provides an integrated flight planning app in the remote control, including all relevant surveying parameters to make flight planning easy and efficient. This helps us to gather consistent data that can be easily processed with accurate results. If the area is too large to map on a single battery charge, the Phantom 4 RTK will automatically resume the mission at the same point after the battery has been replaced. Without ground control points, the achievable horizontal accuracy is up to 3 centimeters. This is the foundation for delivering good results in volume calculation, terrain modeling, and progress monitoring. The Phantom 4 RTK also offers the opportunity to choose between RTK and PPK. After the flight, the data is uploaded on-site to the cloud to be processed by the surveyor's preferred post-processing software. Drone-generated survey data is comprehensive, which is an advantage for detailed 3D modeling and related evaluations. Thanks to the Phantom 4 RTK's consistent data capturing process, engineers are assured that they receive the necessary models according to their project requirements. In due course, the models are available for the engineers to download on-site. Drones are proving to be very efficient tools in the construction industry, and I'm convinced that they will be integrated more and more into construction processes on the international stage. As an innovation leader, it is our desire to execute complex construction projects with the highest quality and to deliver results on time. The Phantom 4 RTK contributes in many aspects. We are looking forward to working with the Phantom 4 RTK.
What do you need for incredible aerial imaging? A brilliant camera, an aircraft you can trust, and the intelligence to make every shot cinematic. The new Phantom 4 Pro has all this and much more. The Phantom 4 Pro camera has an f2.8 aperture, mechanical shutter, and large 1-inch sensor, coming together to make brighter, more detailed imagery. Record cinematic 4K video at higher bit rates with more advanced compression and a wider dynamic range. 4K 60 frames per second recording gives you stunning, detailed, slow-motion aerial video. The Phantom 4 Pro is as adept at stills as it is with video, capturing every detail at 20 megapixels. Its mechanical shutter eliminates rolling shutter bending. Grab the perfect moment using burst mode. All of this makes the Phantom 4 Pro the most advanced aerial camera ever found in the Phantom series.
The Phantom 4 Pro is now a huge step forward. I'm taking photos of the lava when it's darker out and the glow of the lava is coming off of it. The image sensor that's in this camera now is 1-inch sensor, 20 megapixels. That extra dynamic range allows me to really get everything into one shot, and in the landscape, that's extremely important.
See your shot clearly, even in direct sunlight, with the new ultra-bright 5.5-inch monitor that's more than twice as bright as most tablets. Inside is DJI LightBridge technology. It automatically detects interference and switches from 2.4 to 5.8 gigahertz transmission at takeoff, cutting through the noise for more reliability.
The built-in monitor on the Phantom 4 Pro is so bright. I'm actually able to see in direct sunlight, and that's really allowing me to compose my shot and get what I really want to capture.
Active Track has now been expanded with 3 new intelligent flight modes. Profile tracks your subject horizontally from any side. Spotlight locks the camera on a subject while you fly in almost any direction. Circle swings 360 degrees around the subject. Tap Fly has also been improved, adding reverse tap fly, making it perfect for aerial selfies. Flying the Phantom 4 Pro is even more worry-free. A set of rear visual sensors has been added to existing forward and downward sensors. Combined with new infrared obstacle sensors on its sides, the Phantom 4 Pro has 5 directions of sensing. If image signal is lost, it returns home while dynamically avoiding obstacles, and even flies back along its original flight path until signal is regained. Every minute in the air counts. The new high-capacity battery flight time has been increased to 30 minutes. When it comes to speed, the Phantom 4 Pro is 10 miles per hour faster with full support of its obstacle sensing systems. With its stunning camera, 1-inch sensor, ultra-bright monitor, obstacle sensing, and intelligence, the Phantom 4 Pro brings professional quality aerial imaging and flight capabilities to more pilots around the world.